Well, somebody just said that it goes down for sure. So, somebody in the chat said it goes down for sure. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, God. For sure. Guaranteed. Always for sure. Guaranteed to go down. Don't worry. It wasn't Abyss. Where is Abyss at? I can't believe yesterday. Oh, my God. Yesterday. What the fuck? Literally, guys, I walked away. Like, where were we at? Like this, like 10:36. At 10:48, we go straight down. Like, how is that possible? Remember we were like sitting here watching this thing go sideways, and then literally I walked away and it goes straight down. Classic. And then remember Abyss was like, oh, I'm long. I'm long. Oh, man. That's painful. You gotta love it. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's blow it up. It's free to like. It's Loving Thursday. Hit the like button Thursdays. Hit the like button Thursdays, baby. All right, that was time to party. This is not a spliff. This is a toothpick. Toothpick, by the way. A toothpick this morning. All right. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? All right, look in here, look in here, look in here, look in here, look in here. So pretty much this morning on the SPY, we got that pivot point. We got the VWAP. We kind of pulled back into this level earlier. We bounced up. We had this area up here, 449s. And we're pretty much right where we started this whole move at with the CPI reports. So, maybe we're a little higher, but pretty much we're just like right there. So if we look at the ES right now, looking at the ES here on the 3-minute chart, CPI report came out right here at 8:30. We were at the 4,510. We're literally 3 points above that right now. So it really could go either way. We got this pivot. We got that VWAP right there, the 4,508 right now. The NASDAQ, very similar. NASDAQ actually a little bit higher here than the ES for now. VWAP on the NASDAQ down there at the 15,277. We'll see how this plays out at open, obviously, but we are gapping up here. So we closed yesterday. I believe we closed yesterday here at the 50. Yeah, pretty much. We closed yesterday. Where did we close? I don't know. We are kind of gapping up right now. Either way, there is a gap to the downside in terms of the close on the SPY. The SPY, we closed yesterday down there at the 445s on the SPY. So right now we're at the 448. It's about a $3 move to the upside there on that gap there. And we know that gaps love to be filled. So we'll see what happens once the real volume comes in here at open. Real volume, real action, real money. Party. Let's go. So we'll see how this plays out at open. Right now, just kind of cruising. And we'll sit back here and kind of see how this plays out. For now, I guess that's pretty much all the numbers today. We got no more numbers. We had a lot of numbers, job reports, CPI reports, and all kinds of numbers this morning. So we'll see how she plays out at open. Be patient, and we'll just kind of see what happens. We had that big move up there after the report came out to the 24.25 level. If we look here, got some resistance from yesterday at that 17s, and then we got some resistance here kind of in that 25, 27 to 30 levels. So yesterday's high, or the open really was, actual market open was here at the 22s. So we're still below pretty much yesterday's open. We had that overnight move on the ES up to the 4,535s. last or Wednesday night or Wednesday morning, whatever you want to call it. So Wednesday morning, yeah. Wednesday morning had that move. And right now, like I said, we're pretty much just pulling back exactly into where we started this whole CPI report move. So it's kind of, I don't know. I don't want to say uneventful, but as of right now, the market has not decided if it wants to go up or if it wants to go down. And VWAP there at the 4,508. We went up, we went down, we went up, and now we're back to where we started. Would have liked a little bit more direction on that move, you know, kind of like figure out like if it's going to go up or down here. But as of right now, we're just going to see. We got about 7 minutes here till the market opens. 7 minutes till the market opens. And we'll kind of play it by ear. Play it by ear. Play it by ear. All right. All right, all right, all right. Do-do-do-do-do. Thursday, we got one more day. Fresh Cast Friday tomorrow. Today, obviously, the day hasn't even started, but you know, we love that Fresh Cast Friday. And we'll see how this plays out here today. Look at the ES back to pretty much exactly where we opened up at that CPI report number. So, blah. The dollar kind of pushed up here. And right now, the NASDAQ also basically pulling back into where we opened up there on the CPI report. So, yay. I would say pretty much what a good way to look at this right now is we basically want to break this 15-minute candle that popped off during the CPI report, right? Like that would be a good game plan here. We basically want to break this CPI report range. And that would put us pretty much 15,360 and then to the downside 240 on the NASDAQ here. So pretty much that range, that's what I would like to see. I like to see us get above either, you know, the bottom or the top of that 15-minute range from the CPI report. I think that's like a pretty safe kind of idea. If you're looking to take a trade, you're like, okay, I'm going to wait for that 15-minute candle to kind of play out this range. So I do think that there's better chance that we hold the bottom of that range than we break. That we hold the bottom of the range and then we break out to the upside. But, you know, I have been wrong before. But just from kind of my intuition here, I don't know. Maybe we break the range to the bottom and then kind of bounce off yesterday's low area one time. The best part is we don't really need to even predict which way it's going to go. We just have to wait. And like I said, pretty much just waiting. If we can break out of this 15-minute range from that CPI report candle, you know, that's a decent range. But like right now, we're right in the middle. So we have no real advantage here. You know, I would say, okay, let's say we start breaking out to the upside here. Okay, you know, we get below the VWAP. Maybe we pull back. Kind of 50-50. You can flip a coin right now, basically. There's not like a clear setup here. So it's going to be all about patience today. Just like yesterday, you saw that big move happen after that consolidation zone. And, you know, the person who won yesterday really was the guy that just was patient and waited for that move to happen. I don't have any patience, clearly. So I'm going to try to get that patience. We'll do a poll. What's the poll? What should be the poll on? Poll. Start a poll. Up or down at open? Up or down at open? Up. Down. Nobody cares about SLNOT web. Banned for life. Congratulations. I went wake surfing yesterday. I did. If you look at my Instagram, there's videos of me wake surfing or on Twitter. Doing 360s. 360. Watch. The chat poll is going to be like 50% either up or down. All right, so the poll right now is 40% say we're going down, 53% say we're going up. It's funny because I feel like the poll always ends up being like 50-50. But right now, more people leaning towards the idea of going up. So does that mean we go straight down and open? We'll find out here in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, baby. Right now, back to the VWAP. So pretty much we are going to be opening up the market here exactly where we opened up for the CPI, or right where we were at before the CPI report. So the CPI report basically is not eventful at this point. And here we are. We got about a minute here till the market opens, a little bit over a minute. So the poll ended up being 52%. We're going up 47%. Nobody said we're going sideways. What about going sideways? Are we going sideways? That's a possibility as well. No one really thought about that. Hey, possible. It could go sideways. Christina, the burn in Hawaii, that's on Maui. I'm in Orlando in Florida, so everything's fine. Everything's okay. I'm good. I am no longer in Hawaii, so I did not have any issues with the wildfires on Maui. Let's go ahead and blow up that like button, by the way. We need about a minute here. I got a minute till we get that 500 likes here to party. And here we go. 15 seconds. Count it down with me. Well, never mind. We're live. The market's open. Is it open? Yeah, it's open. My clock's off or something. Something's off here. I need to fix my clock. Seems to be like 2-3 seconds off right now. Here we go. Market is open. Right now, the ES at the VWAP. The NASDAQ at the VWAP. We got VWAP, VWAP, VWAP. And both basically just down to where we started this move before the CPI report. Will we hold here at the VWAP? Let's find out. Right now, the ES holding around here at the 07, 08 level. Like I said, no real rush to do anything. We are pretty much in the middle of that 15-minute range from the CPI report. So just being patient here, and we'll see if this is going to want to rip up. Oh, she's ripping up. Bouncing off the VWAP there. Beautiful little move off the VWAP so far. Oh. She's pushing up there to the 14-15s. Right off the VWAP there. The ES straight to the 15s now. Gotta love the VWAP bounce, baby. VWAP bounce. Bouncing off that pivot point as well on the SPY here. Up there, the 16s now, still pushing straight up. '17s now. Oh, baby, right off the VWAP there. Looks like the chat might have been right for the first time ever. Just kidding. Sometimes the chat's right. Up there to the 1850s now. 1850 high. Market pushing straight up off the VWAP there. Oh, buddy. Looks like the bulls are back in control for now. Somebody said that we're for sure going to go down today, so they might have jinxed it. They might have jinxed it. Anytime somebody ends their comment with for sure, it's obviously going to do the opposite. Even if I was like, guys, it's for sure going to go up, I'd be worried. I'd be like, oh, fuck, why did I say that? You're pretty much just guaranteed that it's going to do the exact opposite of what you think it's going to do if you say for sure. I'm for sure that if I say for sure, I would be wrong. That's pretty much what I'm for sure about. That would be why I'm for sure about that, for sure. I am for sure that I would for sure be wrong. Right now, trying to build a little bull flag here. The NASDAQ, ES, both still stuck here. We have not broken out of that 15-minute range from the CPI report yet. Still a little bit indecision. We pushed up to that 20 level on the ES, got denied, and right now back to the 14-15s here. See if they're going to bounce it here again. NASDAQ definitely looking a little bit more dippy here on the 15-minute chart. Look how the 15-minute chart's sitting down here at that VWAP again. And still, like I said, inside that 15-minute range here. The book map kind of cleared out there as well. Kind of interesting. Might possibly start squeezing through here. Let's see. Weird. The book map load is totally cleared out at the 14-15 level. And trying to push here again. Up there to the 18s. Looking for this push through the 20s quickly. Needs to go right through 20s here. You don't want it to get stuck at the 20s or it's going to chop back down, obviously. But it got right through the 20s there, people. Through the 20s quickly. Up there to the 19s. Need to squeeze it right through that 20s. And there's that push up there to the 20s. I'm trailing this up. I'm looking for 20s to hold now. Put my stop at 20s from the 16s. We're either going to keep squeezing straight up or we're going to pull back here. And I'm stopped out there at the 20s. Perfect. Nice and easy. Up $3,000 on the day there. And now to the 21. So I was a little tight on that stop, but I just didn't want us to run up there to the 20s and dip back down to the fucking like 16s really quickly. And there's that push. 22s now. Beautiful. All right, all right. Up there, 21, 22s. We're looking for this push through the 15-minute candle CPI. Remember that yellow line right there is that 15-minute range from the CPI report. Need to get through that there. That would be the 24, 25s. Looks like it wants 25s here, so she looking squeezy McSqueezerson. 23 tapping. Should go right to the 25s here. I'm not going to say it should, or I'm not going to say for sure, but if I was a betting man, and you know me, I like to bet. I'm going to bet this thing wants to rip through the 25s here sooner than later. See, I told you. I shouldn't have said it. I shouldn't have said it. Damn it. I said for sure. Guaranteed every time. We got that 25 liquidity sitting there. Little pullback for now. We pushed up there to the 23.75s for now. Still looking pushy. Pushy, pushy. That 25 area wants to break. I would basically want this to stay above 20s here for that 25 break next. Needs to go, go, go. Oh, God. I jinxed it for everybody else. I apologize. I shouldn't have done it. I shouldn't have said it. Always. You say for sure, and then it does the exact opposite. It pushed up there through 23.75 so far. Still looking good, holding there at the 20s. It should push through the 25s. It should. It should. It should. It held the 20s, pushed to the 25s. Congratulations. There you go. Come on. Are you not impressed? Are you not entertained? Come on, guys. Let's go. Little dip down there to the 20s. Let you jump in there and then off to the 26s. 6 points there on the ES. Easy peasy mac and squeezy. I see the NASDAQ. I see the ES. I see it all, baby. I see it all. Look at the NASDAQ. Still not breaking above the high there, but through the 48s. You're not impressed, Shindo? Okay, bro. I'll help you out. Banned. Who else wants it? Who else wants it? Who else wants it? Shapeshift Trader, 4,550. Mark my words. Oh, God. I don't know what's worse. Mark my words or for sure. Which one's worse? Which one's worse? Oh, no. We're going back, straight back down now. Where's Abyss at? Where's Abyss? Abyss. We need Abyss to tell us he's going short right here. If Abyss is shorting, we're going to the 550s for sure. Where's he at? Come on. Did I ban him? I didn't ban him. Who banned Abyss? Did Sage ban Abyss? Oh, no. Fuck. Sage. Why would you do that? You banned our #1 indicator. Why would you what? I did not approve this. I did not approve the ban. I gotta go and find him now and unban him. Why would Sage ban him? What happened yesterday? What happened when I was gone? Can't ban the #1 indicator in the whole entire world. Come back, Abyss, come back. God, I've banned like over 800 people. How am I going to find Abyss? Oh, no. I don't know how I'm going to find him. There's so many people banned. Shit. Fuck, how do I unban him? I need to find Abyss. Winston Abyss was his name, wasn't it? Can't even find him now. He's gone forever into the abyss. Fuck. Damn it. Unban everyone. Yeah, right. Can't unban everyone. That would be like a fuck. It would be like letting all the criminals out of jail at the same time. Be a terrible idea. Imagine if we unbanned 800 people at one time. The fucking chat would just be spam. Just get taken over. The criminals have broken out. There's a jailbreak. Jailbreak. All right, all right. Look at that. Up there to the 28s. I told you this morning when the guy said, for sure, we're going down. Oh, I just don't know why people even do that. Why even say that? Like, literally, why? Why even, like, why test fate? You know, like, why? I just don't get it. Seems like a bad idea. Like, I want to battle fate here, and I'm gonna say that it's for sure gonna go down. Yeah, okay. Terrible idea. Like, don't do that. The best part is you know the people that say for sure, they actually like they're like in a trade. Because anybody that's gonna be like, hey, the market is for sure gonna go down, like they're shorting, like 100%. Because you're not gonna write in the chat like, hey guys, the market's going down for sure and not take a trade. You know, like, let's be honest, like they're gonna take a trade. All right, right now on the day, I'm up $2,800 times 2 accounts. So that's like close to $6,000 on the day. It's Thursday. I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. So we'll see what happens here next. Kind of setting up for a breakout to the upside here. Through the 30s possibly next, but let's give it a little bit of time. We still got to get out of this 15-minute range. The NASDAQ got stuck at the top of that 15-minute range from the CPI report. So the NASDAQ's still pretty much inside of that CPI report range there. I don't like playing with fire. I like lighting the fire, not playing with the... well, I like lighting fires and putting them out, but I don't like getting burnt. Right? You know what I mean? Emmanuel, how can you see the trade that Patrick opened? I don't know. Hey, Patrick, when did you buy? Patrick, what? What do you mean you didn't tell me when you bought? Why? Why didn't you tell me? God, I could have made $1 million if you just would have told me when to buy. Fuck. What am I gonna do? Damn it, Patrick. You're an asshole. Can't believe you didn't tell me to buy. If only you would have told me. I could have made so much money today. Damn you. Damn you so much. You're an asshole for not telling me when to buy. Belly dancer, oh. All right. Right now, the ES kind of holding here at the 20s for now. We're pretty much still chopping around there. The SPY looking like it wants to kind of roll off here a little bit. So, I don't know. I'm just being patient. SPY, if it gets this thing kind of breaking out, little bull flag here. Got that next pivot on the SPY up at the 450.87 there. So, as of right now, we got the VWAP down there, 449 area. See how this plays out. Being patient, my friends. Patience is key. Don't go chasing waterfalls. We still haven't even... I mean, it's only been 15 minutes. Market's only been open for 15 minutes, man. Only been open for 15 minutes. 25. There's a big seller at 25 right now. They look like they want to take it out, though. Let's see. On the book map here, 25s took it out. See if they're going to run it up there towards the 30s next. '28's up there. Oh. Up there to 28s. Huh. Dab on those fools. Well, there you go. Bull flag breakout. You don't know when to trade. You might go ahead and fucking quit right now. I make myself laugh sometimes. I do. I just make myself laugh sometimes. I'm a funny motherfucker. This is what, look at this setup right here. This is straight out of the fucking market flow trader fucking playbook right here, Sage, tell him. Sage, tell him. Patrick. But when should I buy? Patrick, when do I buy? When should I buy here? I don't know. Look at that beautiful breakout there. I'm going to explain to you guys really quickly so you never have to ask ever again. When do you buy? Let's think about this really quickly. Okay, look. This candle right here, right there closed. That candle right there, that candle right there, that candle right there. They all closed below the previous candles. So when should you get long if you're looking for a breakout? I don't know. Let me think. That candle closed there. That candle closed there. That candle closed there. And then that candle closed there. Okay. Let me think here. Let me use my little thinking cap. If I want to buy the breakout, what should I do? I'm going to buy when it breaks the motherfucking last candle. Ah! God. Don't overcomplicate this shit, guys. Everyone's always like, Patrick, why don't you tell me when to buy? Tell me, tell me, tell me. I need to know. If I don't know when you buy, how can I ever get rich? Well, my friends, it's that simple. You'll draw a line on the chart. You look at the candlesticks. Look, all 27, 20, 25, 24, 23. Oh my God. The next candle, 23.75. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? You fucking buy and you fucking sell at the top, baby. Welcome to learning how to make fucking money. Oh, God. Get on my level, people. Don't ever ask me ever again. The next person that fucking asks me, but Patrick, when do I get in? When do I get in? Can you just come over here and hold my fucking hand and show me how to do it? Just fucking hold my hand. I'm a fucking small child. I'm not a man. I'm a small child who needs to be told. I need to be told exactly when the candle closes above the previous fucking candle. Can you please come show me how to do it? Please. I'll never make any money if you don't show me exactly when to buy. Ah! Oh, God. It just blows my mind. Honestly, it blows my fucking mind sometimes. Am I being a little, is it too much? Is it too much? It's too much, right? Like, is it hard to understand? Are you guys, is it hard for you to understand? Is anybody still wondering? Is there anybody in the chat that is still wondering how this fucking works? Anybody? Is anybody confused? God. Ugh. Don't make this shit too hard, my friends. Make it easy. Not everyone sees the market like... Well, if you don't fucking see it like I do, buy the fucking Market Flow Trader course and you'll learn how to see it. If you want to learn, fucking spend $500, stop being a broke-ass bitch, and fucking join the fucking community. John Hidalgo, don't even start. You're going to tell me that you did not... What do you mean? You bought it and you still didn't see the market? You didn't see this? Come on, guys. Don't make me have a fucking heart attack over here. God. Look, again, it's just like, I mean, come on. Come on. Don't make it hard. Make it easy. Make the trading easy, not the hard. It's fucking easy, man. It's fucking easy. Make it fucking easy. Make it fucking easy, man. Come on. Look, it's like, think about it like this, right? It's a very simple idea. This is probably the easiest breakout fucking amazing setup you could ever take in your entire fucking life, right? It's that simple. We push up here to resistance. Guess what? We pull back. And then look what happens. Look what fucking happens. Look at this previous fucking resistance right here at 9 o'clock. What do we do? What do we do? We turn that 20 area into support once again. What do we got? We got a fucking bull flag. It's a fucking bull flag. It's a fucking bull flag. Bull fucking flag. Wah! Come on. It's fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful, man. Ugh. The thing is, you will never learn to trade by just following someone into trades. You won't. You just won't fucking do it. And then what happens is very simple. When you're in a trade, and let's say you're following some guru, he tells you to buy. And all of a sudden, the guru is like, I took profit. I took profit. I'm out. And you're like, now, he took profit. Let's say he took profit quickly. The fucking market pulls back. Now you're in the red. What are you going to do? Right? You got into this trade because the guy on YouTube told you to buy. Right? So the only reason you got into the trade is because some guy on the internet told you to buy it. So then you got in. 5 seconds later, he's now screaming that he took profit for $10,000 on a 1-point move, and you're in the red. What are you going to do? I guarantee I know exactly what you're going to do. You're going to keep holding on to that fucking loser, and instead of making any money at all, you're now going to be sitting there going, well, fuck. You know, Patrick made $10,000 off a 1-point move, and now I'm in the red, and I'm down $200. Well, I'm not going to get out. Like, I'm going to keep holding, and then before you know it, it's fucking dumping on you. So you got to, like, you personally, as a trader, you have to see the setups. You need to be in those setups, knowing what your risk is, where your profit is, understanding these things. These are all simple ideas. These are all ideas that we teach. That is all inside of the Market Flow Trader community. Every day we're doing this shit live. Market Flow Trader community. Look at this. We got people popping off. We got members every day. We got the chatter right now. Look at this in the chatter. We got members in there. Just pop it off in here in the chat. You can't even see it, but there's the members posted up chats. You got this guy posted up chat. You got everybody there. Just pop it off there. You got a whole community, 800 members popping it off. There's like 400 people active most of the days. Seth right here talking about his trades. It's all live. It's all happening. We got the course as well. We go through the basics. We go through the whole process. Talking about my execution. You know, just little things. Look at that beautiful, sexy man. You basically get to pay $500 to look at this beautiful, sexy man for 12 fucking hours. Look at the market still going higher. 35s now. Come on. If you can't figure it out, well, the best thing to do, I would say, is invest a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, and maybe join a community of people that are also all working towards finding success. We have, hundreds of members who have gotten funded with Topstep. And this is the best part about, like, this really is proof that my strategy works, because people are using my strategy and then going into Topstep, they're getting funded with Topstep. You know, I don't control Topstep. I'm not able to, like, go in there and, like, you know, fix it so that my members can, like, get funded. Like, it's a what do you call it? What's the word for that? It's a authority. It's a different entity, right? Like, so that's another person. Like, it's a third party that is basically evaluating the Market Flow Trader members, right? So they're passing the combine, they're finding success, and it's like they're using what we are teaching inside of the Market Flow Trader community. So if you're sitting here right now and you can't fucking figure it out, you're having trouble, you don't know what to do, you keep losing money every day, it's $500 to sign up for life. $500 fucking dollars. It's not $10,000, it's not $5,000, not $3,000. It's $500. So that's my pitch. It's that simple. All right. If you want to learn more, check it out. Also, after I'm not live on YouTube, there's still hundreds of members in the Market Flow Trader community that are chatting and going over trades. So if you're like, man, what am I going to do when Patrick's not live on YouTube? Well, the Market Flow Trader community is still popping off. We got Sage in there. We got multiple coaches. It's popping off. It's $500 fucking dollars. How much money have you lost as a day trader already? Think about that. You know? How much money have you already lost as a day trader? And at what point are you finally going to stop trying to lose money and just maybe invest a little money? $500. That's like pretty much like 5 days. You know, it's like 5 days of basically, I don't know. If you're losing like $300 a day, that's like literally 2 days of you just not losing money pretty much. You know, like, save yourself a little bit of time, a little bit of effort. Right now, look, another little setup here. And this is exactly the strategy that we use every day, trading in the market flow trader community. Don't overcomplicate this shit. Another little bull flag, the breakout. The ES literally just printing. The NASDAQ printing. Look at the NASDAQ breaking out of that 15-minute range. 15-minute opening range right there. It's so hard to understand. It ain't, people. Look at this. This is one of my favorite setups right now. You guys already know this. That 15-minute range breakout. Look at that thing. This is children. Children could play this. A 5-year-old could fucking make money doing this shit. A 5-year-old. A 5-year-old. What's my target on the ES right now? I would say definitely looks like 42s is up there sitting on the book map right now. We might need a little bit more of a pullback here at some point, but 42 sitting up there. We're pushing through the pivot point now. 451 on the SPY here. The market's moving. There it is, the SPY pushing through there. There's another pivot at the 452s on the SPY here. And this thing is just continuing to go higher and higher and higher. Can you take me higher to a place with golden things? Come on, though. Let's go, guys. Like, stop making this shit hard. Come and join us. Market Flow Trader community. It's popping off every day. Up there to the almost 38s now. She's just going. The ES up there to the 40s. The NASDAQ, the ES both going straight to the moon. Look at the 15-minute breakout on the ES here as well. You can see the 15-minute range right there, 27s up over 10 points right now. Look how beautifully this played out. Oh my God. That 15-minute opening range. This is the Market Flow Trader community indicator that you can have access to as well. It's a part of the $500. I know, amazing, right? You get the Market Flow Trader community has all this stuff on it. But this 15-minute range, opening range, I think as a beginner day trader, there really is like no simpler strategy out there. Honestly. Like, there really is just no simpler strategy. Look at this thing. To the 42s now. She's still going. I've been talking. I missed out on this fucking move. But hey, I'm still up. Fucking, how much am I up right now? 3,500 times 3,500. That's fucking $7,000 on the day. I could have bought the Market Flow Trader community membership fucking 10 times today over. Just from 2 trades. And there we go. Through the 42s already. That book map was showing the 42s. We are through the 42s there. I would like to see some type of pullback here sooner than later. Just overall, kind of technical pullback here. Don't want to buy at the top, I don't want to be like, I'm not trying to get long up at 45 and then this thing fucking drop back to the 35. So don't go chasing waterfalls. Beautiful move here, though. Over 10 points on the ES. I mean, fuck. You get 10 points on the ES every day. That's all you need. You can retire on that. Work for 2 hours a day. Retire. Make money, retire. Make money, retire. Retire. I'm 34 years old. I'm pretty much retired. Think about that. I'm retired. I've been trading for 7 years now, live on YouTube, basically. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, check me out at Patrick Wieland Inc. on Instagram. Always posted up some fun stuff on there. So we're just kind of sitting back here. Like I said, here's the thing, right? You got to ask yourself, like, just like take a moment to think about this. Would you really like want to buy here when you could have bought here? You know, like, would you be like, I really want to get long right here? Oh my God. Well, as I say that, it pushes the 45s, but I'm just saying, in general, like if you didn't take this trade right here from the 31s and fucking make $1 million in this trade right here, like, are you really kind of like, are you sitting here with FOMO going, I really want to buy right here? If you could have bought right here, why the fuck are you going to buy right here? So, I don't know. I didn't take this trade right here, so I'm definitely not going to buy right here. I'm just being honest with you guys. I took this trade earlier, took this trade at open, but I did not take this trade. I was too fucking, you had me all gassed up. Y'all had me all gassed up. I got to stop doing these live streams. No more live streams. I'm done. Too much gas. Too much gas. Shapeshift trader. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna say? What do you want me to say? Oh, you're a genius. You said that the market would go to the 4,555s. Congratulations. It's at 4,542. Congratulations. What do you want from me? If you're such an amazing day trader, you can start your own YouTube channel. I'll help you out. It's free to start your own YouTube channel. It actually doesn't cost any money to start your own YouTube, by the way, for everybody, for all the Warren Buffetts in the chat. Can you use NinjaTrader? Yes. Elizabeth Perez, why did I switch back to the ES? I don't know. To be honest, I just decided to go back to the ES. That's where I kind of really started out on trading the ES. Then I switched over to the NASDAQ. I wouldn't say there's really any particular reason other than just kind of choosing to do it, to be honest. I don't know why people are always like, they think that like since I switched back to the ES that I failed at trading the NASDAQ. I just legitimately was like, I'm going to go back to the ES for a little bit. You know? Honestly, like there was no like real reason other than just like, oh, I'm going to go back to the fucking ES for a minute. Maybe I'll go back to the NEX one. Maybe I'll go back to the NEX, to the NASDAQ one day. What would I do right here? I see people that I can see a lot of people got FOMO right now. Everyone's got FOMO. Like, what do you do? What do you do? I don't know. You really got to ask yourself, like, did you take this trade? Like, if you're in the chat right now, if you're in the chat and you're wondering what you should do right now, I want you to ask yourself, did you take this trade right here? Did you or did you not? If you didn't take this trade right here, then why are you freaking out about taking this trade? You know, that's like, I don't see like, I don't know. I just don't see the reason be FOMOing into the top when you could have gotten this trade right here. That's all. Raphael passing the combine. Let's go. What happened with Larry? What about Larry? Who's Larry? Who's Larry G? I don't know. I have no idea who's Larry G. He's an MFT. What about him? Larry leading the way. Oh. Larry made $21,000 a day. What the fuck? Larry. Going hard in the paint. Larry G. Do I know the percentage of people that pass the combine? I would say probably pretty similar to the percentage of people that lose. I'd say probably less than fucking 20% pass the combine, maybe more, maybe 10%. I mean, it's pretty much the same exact stat as how many people are actually profitable as a day trader. And that's, you know, 90% of people fail as a day trader. So that would be pretty much the same stat for the combine as well. Starting to push back up here. Like I said, it definitely at that point, I don't know. I hate chasing that third move, to be honest, without a good pullback. It had a little bit of a pullback, but just not a massive pullback there. I'm okay with $6,000, $7,000, to be honest. I'm totally fine with that. I didn't take this trade here, so I'm going to punish myself. I did not take this trade, so guess what? I'm going to punish myself. I'm not going to allow myself to take this trade. It's just that simple. This was the... Like, if I didn't like the market when it was here, like, if I didn't want to buy this breakout, I'm sure as hell not going to buy this breakout. And that's just a personal thing, right? Like, that's just a rule with myself. You know, if I'm not going to buy this breakout, and then I watch it go up fucking 10 points, like, I'm sure as hell not going to buy this breakout. You know? I think that's a really just kind of good rule for yourself. Because here's the thing, like here, I think this is a great way to think about it. Like if let's say I took this trade here. I took the trade at open off the VWAP. So we had two good trades, right? 1, 2 good trades. Now, I didn't take this trade right here. The third trade, this third breakout. So the thing is, I pretty much, this is a winner. This is a winner, this is a winner, this is a winner. So that would have been 3 winners. So I could allow myself to take this trade right here, knowing that I have 3 winners in the bank. And if I minimize them, you know, keep my loss at a point, you know, 3-1, that's totally fine. Like, not a big deal. But the problem is, if I take this trade up top here and I get stopped out, now I'm just giving back profit from these 2 winners down here. So I just don't want to be, I don't want to miss out on a winning trade and then, or not get into a winning trade and then try to FOMO into the top here. It's really a good way to think about it. I think that's like a really good rule to have. If you take 2 good trades, but then you don't take the 3rd good trade of the day, and then you sit here and you're like, I want to take the 4th trade, the 4th setup. Nope, not allowed to. You ain't allowed to, Patrick. So that's why I'm staying out of it. It's because, like, the thing is, like, think about it like this is too. Like, there's a reason you didn't take this trade, right? Like, there's a reason you didn't get in here. So what happens is, if the market pushes up to here, well, now that's just FOMO. This whole move up, like, your emotions are now FOMO. You're not thinking straight because you missed out on this move because you're like, I'm not going to take this trade because I think it needs to pull back, right? Like, that's what you do. Like, you use your reasoning to be logical and say, hey, I'm not going to buy here because I think it's going to pull back. And then when it goes higher, your emotions now kick in and you have FOMO and you're like, fuck, it went to 44. It's going to go to 50. So what do? You try to get long here on this breakout at 42 and then it fucking pulls back to 36. You know? that's a really good rule, I would say. There's that pushback up. I see people in the chat talking about getting short. I don't know about getting short just yet. Give it more time. Fireworks is going long. Let's see what happens. Oh, God. The new abyss. Let's see. And that's one thing as well. Just because a trade is not a long does not mean that it's a short. All right? Think about that. Like, just because a trade is not a good long does not mean it's time to get short. Right? Like, that's, I think people like confuse that sometimes. They're like, well, if you're not going to get long, then you might as well get short. I'm like, no. It's not that simple. It just, sometimes, like right now, I would, ideally, I think another good way to look at it too is like, did we really capitalize off on the best possible move of the day? No, we didn't. Like, I didn't personally. Like, I know that I know that the VWAP is the most powerful, like, bounce setup. You know, it's the VWAP for me is the best setup. If we can bounce off the VWAP, that's like the most powerful, best setup of the day. And I really, like, I didn't really crush that trade. Like, it wasn't a home run trade. Because the VWAP setup doesn't happen every day, right? Like, it just doesn't happen every day. So, I fucking crushed that trade. I'm fucking live on YouTube right now!
Yo, you live?
Yo, hold on one second. We turn the mic off. Let's talk a secret. Okay, I turned the mic off. I talk to my people live on YouTube.
Oh God!
Tell them something. Tell them a motivational quote.
Oh my God! I don't have anything.
No motivational quotes.
You put me on the spot.
Oh my God, dude. Trying to run a business around here. It ain't easy, my friends. I'm back. Hey. Oh, so tomorrow I'll be live for Fresh Cash Friday. Like I said, I think I'm going to walk away with my $7,000. This is kind of looking maybe a little better, like it wants to break out here, but still, I'm totally fine with just walking away and taking my profits. So happy that we did not buy up here at the 40s, and then because we got stopped out already. So like I said, you know, it's okay to not take a trade. Like, people think that you have to trade every little move. Sometimes it's better just to not take a trade. And that's exactly what we did today. So I'm going to stay out of it. I'm going to walk away with $7,000 richer. I mean, do I need to push it? Try to go for more money? Could I? Maybe. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. I don't fucking know. But I'm happy with that. It's Fresh Cash Friday tomorrow. We know we're going to make lots of money tomorrow. I'm going to be live. I'll try to get live tomorrow till like at least noon. So we'll see how she goes. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll leave the book map open for a little bit. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button, maybe. You want to? Maybe not. Maybe I'll just turn it off. Nah, we'll turn it off. Fuck it. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Fresh Cash Friday. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry for kind of cutting it short today. I had to deal with some business on the phone. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully everybody is nice and green and hanging out and making money today. Nice, pretty clean day. Morning, bounce off the VWAP, the breakouts, the setups, kind of knowing not to get in here at the top. Not a bad way of making money. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy. So, like I said, if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We'll be live tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. And I'll see you guys then. Big peace to the Middle East. Let's go.